Hi, I'm Mr. Smith. I'm here to talk to you today about AP European History. So I imagine most of you are freshmen and you are trying to decide next year whether you should take World History or AP European History. Those are your two options for your social studies next year. So let me answer a few questions. First, AP European History counts as your World History credit, so you will not later have to take World History. Also, a lot of students want to know if you need any kind of AP experience for AP Euro. You do not. In fact, a lot of my students, this is their first AP class, so I kind of tailor it to that. I make sure you have the supports you need to learn test strategy and to learn how to write essays, and I kind of expect that this is your first AP class, so you have nothing to worry about there. So let's look at what to expect when you walk into my classroom, or what to expect in AP Euro. Hopefully it's not like this experience, but we'll take a look at some things. First of all, a lot of the places that we discuss I have been to, and so I can tell you with a little bit of firsthand knowledge what some of these historical places are like. You've got the Palace of Versailles there, the Mona Lisa behind me there, and the Cathedral of Notre Dame, all of which are in Paris, France. So we can discuss that in class, and I can tell you what some of those things are really like. Don't be mistaken, though. This is an AP class. There is a lot of work. Okay, you're going to have a lot of reading to do outside. I try to not give you a lot of homework, but some homework is necessary. It is a college class. Okay. Some of the material we talk about, I'm not going to lie, it's kind of rough to get through. You're going to look at it and not really want to read 30 pages in the book about it, but we have to get through it so we can get to that material that makes you say, yes, okay? So we do talk about some more interesting things. We cover European history from about 1300 to today. We get to talk about things in more detail than you get in world history, and we get to look at some of the cooler events that kind of get skipped over in world history since we only focus on Europe. Now, after all that's done, after you complete all that reading, after you are given those test strategies, you will be prepared for the AP test. Now, the AP test for AP Euro, if you pass it, you get, or if you make a 3 on it, you will get 3 hours of college credit. If you make a 4 or a 5, in some cases, some schools will give you 6 hours of college credit. We're one of the only AP classes that can get that additional 3 hours for the AP test. So after you do that, after you make that 3 on the AP test, you're going to come back into my classroom and you're going to be like this. Well, hopefully not like that. Please don't tackle me and knock me down. But you will be excited because you will have 3 hours of college credit. You'll already be ahead. And also, maybe you don't do so well in my class. It will prepare you for taking AP classes junior and senior year. And I guarantee you, if you get through AP Euro, maybe you don't score well that first time, but you will be ready to take other AP classes in the future. So please consider AP Euro. It is an introductory AP class. It is made for sophomores. Come in. I am in K204 if you would like to stop by and talk to me and ask more questions that are not really covered in this video. I'm here anytime. Thank you.